So my proudest moment in working for Make UK for the past 8 years has been seeing the thousands of youngsters we've helped with a career start in the manufacturing sector. I'm very proud of what we do in Aston with our apprentice training centre. It's one of the largest centres in the whole country, and we train for very large companies and hundreds of smaller SMEs. And it's just brilliant to see those youngsters coming into the sector, learning the latest possible skills, whether it's robotics or mechatronics or now AI, learning all about that manufacturing base skills that we need in the sector, and then seeing them going off and excel. And we have many ambassadors that have been trained at our centre, which of course understand the value of Make UK, and just seeing them go out there and provide real value to those companies is something we should be proud of.